What's up, beauties, and welcome back to my channel. Today we are doing my second Ipsy for June 2019. I mentioned in my first one I accidentally changed my billing information for my second account instead of canceling it, so my mistake. I got the red bag for the second one and I'm super excited to open it because now I'm going to have so many different products from June that I'm going to be able to do a get ready with me featuring all of my items that I received in my Ipsys this month, as many as I can. So I'm super excited. I cannot remember for the life of me what my spoiler said, so we are going to dive into this bad boy and we are going to do it together. So this is the red bag. I like this is Tetris themed. Ipsy is $10 a month if you live in the States. It is more if you live in Canada like me. I pay around $20 Canadian. It is one of those subscription boxes where they do send a lot of sample size products. It's really not my favorite. I have canceled for July and I'm rethinking about will I actually get my Ipsy back in August. Maybe in the future, you never know. So, but this might be the last one you see for a while, so let's just get right into it. So it's the red one and we are going in for it. And every Ipsy has a card, so this tells me what's in it. It doesn't give you prices, which is what I learned the hard way the last time, but that's okay because we're just going to dive into it together. First product, so this is Super Restorative Sleeping Mask. So this is by Soroki, I think that's how you would say that. No clue, never heard about this before. It says it's enriched with tomato extract, and this mask provides intensive nourishment with deep moisture and brightening. So I am super excited. I am in desperate need of some sleep masks, so this will be put to good use. I will let you guys know in an empties video. Was it a hit or was it a, you know what I mean? The next item that I have, oh, this is by Pop Sugar. This is a mini highlighter. This is in Champagne. I had the bronzer and it really didn't work for me, but I'm really excited that I've got this. That's, oh, I can tell you 100% this feels different than that bronzer did. That feels like butter and creamy, and I wish I had a makeup brush in front of me right now to put some on my cheekbones. That is gorgeous. I cannot wait to use this. So that is Pop Sugar. That is my highlight in Champagne. Next up, okay, I do remember this. This is the Real Her Sorry Not Sorry Moisturizing Lipstick. This is in the shade, let's see what, Pink Rose. So this is a duplicate from my first Ipsy, so I am going to leave this packaged up. It's going to be put aside. It's going to go in a future giveaway or to somebody I know that can use it, so it's not going to be opened right now, but I am really excited to use this lipstick in my upcoming video, so you will see it in that one. So 3 items already. I feel like I'm flying through this. All right, the next thing is, this is by Sugar Kitten. This is their Do Care Hydrating Hyaluronic Peel-Off Mask. So like that. I've heard things about this company, but I've never received anything from them before. I've never used anything from them before. So I'm really excited. It's like a holographic mask. That is so cool. It smells very fresh. It doesn't smell overly powerful. I'm super excited. This looks like it's going to be Mask Madness Monday with Manders. If you guys haven't already done that, I go live every Monday around 7:30 Eastern Standard Time. I did skip Canada Day, which was last Monday, but I will be back to a regular schedule starting probably by the time you see this. I'll be back to my regular schedule. And my 5th product is my Tetris eyeshadow by Ipsy. I do have one of the shades. I think this is a different one. This is in the shade Block Party. This is totally different than the other one I have. This is amazing. Look at that. Oh, and it feels really smooth and silky. Beautiful. That is really nice. And it's got like a really nice kind of peachy undertone. I do like that. I have to say, I complain about Ipsy. I'm always like, oh, Ipsy's my least favorite. But this one, I'm pretty excited for. Like, I think I got some good products. Yes, they are all trial size / sample size, but they are pretty good. Like this eyeshadow, that's the perfect size eyeshadow for me. This is the perfect size highlighter. Like honestly, why are highlighters bigger than this? I don't need a highlighting pan to be bigger than this. So tell me if I'm wrong. Do you need anything bigger than these ones? I don't think so. So I'm pretty excited about it. Plus, we all know my favorite part of Ipsy is the bag. So if anything, I would continue ordering this because you get a makeup bag every single month. So thank you guys so much for hanging out with me today. I love it when you guys stop by, and remember to hit that subscribe button so you don't miss out on my future videos, and give this video a thumbs up. It really does help me out, and I cannot wait to see you guys in the next one. Bye.